flight today, so if you're interested in checking your bag instead of carrying it on, please come see me while I'll check it to your final destination. If you are checking your bag, please make sure you have everything you need in flight, such as medication. You also need to remove spare lithium batteries, e-cigarettes, or personal vaporizers from your bag, since they are not permitted in the cargo hold. Thank you for flying with Space We'll begin boarding soon.